First, open the box and take out the electric bike. Remove the accessories. Open the package. Take out the front wheels and remove the accessories from the frame. When installing handlebars, note that the disc brake is on the left side of the e-bike and in the same direction as the rear brake. Loosen the screw and turn the riser to a T angle with the front fork. Remove the head cover and install the handlebar. Screw lock in turn. Remove the set screw and install the headlight and front baffle. The front wheel installation. Turn the meter angle. Open the seat tube and install the seat. Seat height higher than handlebar height and lock screws. Put the electric bike upside down. Install the front wheel. Remove the transport protection shaft. Put the front wheel into the front fork slot. Pay attention to align with the brake slot. Insert quick release. Adjust screw pressure. Lock quick release. Pedal installing. It should be noted that the R letter is installed in the right tooth plate. The R pedal thread is parallel to the screw hole and the pedal is tightened clockwise. The L shall be installed on the other side. The L pedal shall be aligned with the screw hole and tighten the pedal counterclockwise. Reinforce with tools after the pedals are installed. Adjust the electric bicycle. Position the electric bicycle upright and adjust the handlebar front wheel in the same direction. Lock the riser screw. Adjust proper seat height. Adjust the angle of the meter and tighten the screws. Battery charging. First, use the standard charger of electric bicycle. Insert the charging plug into the charging port and connect the power supply to charge it. The red light is always on, which means it is in the normal charging state, until it turns green to indicate that the battery is full. Second, remove the battery and charge it. Remove the battery key and keep it safe. Push the folding bumper forward. Pull the folding buckle with the other hand and fold the electric bike in half. Press the key into the lock and do not release it. At the same time, turn the key until the lock core of the battery extends and pulls the key out. We can easily take out the battery. Connect the charger to charge it. Thank you for watching.